Today we're at 7-Eleven, as you can see, in Japan, and there's one thing I haven't tried is the shakes. You can pick any one of them, but of course I'm taking this chocolate one. I'm taking the chocolate one. I'm gonna buy something later, but let's buy this. So this is it's no, I don't have cash. You? So this is basically a smoothie. So then you blend it here. So give my money back. Okay. I'm keeping this. Hi. So we come here. This is my first time. Oh no.
You put the money?
Huh?
What did you put inside? Oh, okay.
I put in the wrong one. Yeah. So then we shake this, didn't we? This is for. Ah, yeah. Hi. Got it.
Oh, smoothie. This one?
This is for Oh, one sec. Hi. Hi. So this is. So you have to open this and then you literally blend it. So we blend this and just keep it right here. And which button should I put? Okay. So then now it's gonna blend. Let's see. Push. We put some water. So it's gonna blend and then it's gonna come back here, probably, and we eat it. Taste test later. Oh look. Yeah, it's blending. This is probably gonna be yummy. Taking out my plastic. Yeah. It's almost done. Like, I think the water represents how much is done. Now blending. So like so it's basically a mix of chocolate and strawberry. So then after you blend it, we eat it like normal. Like it's a smoothie. It's almost done. Just walk around. Oh my god, this is taking so long. Ooh, it's now a perfect mixture.
3 steps alone.
Nah.
Any steps?
Okay, now we got it. So my smoothie is ready. Now I try it. Ooh, there's some. It's good. Try it, cameraman. Bye bye.